In this video, we are going to continue place value. This time, Ivy will be writing using the place value house. For the first apple Ivy will pick, she will write down 1 in the ones place value house. Ivy continues to harvest the apples until she got a problem. 10 apples is no longer allowed inside the house. What will I do now? Don't worry. 10 ones is equal to 110. We will transfer your 10 apples to the orange house. Ang 10 mansanas ay naging 1/10. Siyempre, noong transfer na ang 10 mansanas, naging 0 na rin ang place value na ones. Ivy continued to harvest the apples. She will place again at the ones place. Ivy continued to harvest apples until she got another set of 10. She will now record as 2 10s and, of course, 0 ones. Ivy continued to harvest apples. 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 9 10s. Now he has 90 apples in the orange house. Ivy continued to pick some more. More apples. More apples. Now, the total apples is 99. Isang piraso na lang, 100 pieces na ang na-harvest ni Ivy. Sa ngayon ba, ilang tens na ang na-harvest ni Ivy? Sige, bilangin natin. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. Pag dinagdagan ko pa ng isang piraso, ito ay magiging 100. Ngayong 10 tens na tayo, ano ngayon ang place value na ating gagamitin? Yan ay sasagutin natin sa susunod na episode. This is all for now. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye. See you on the next video, but don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment my videos.